This exercise is an exercise on structure writing. We have two cyclopentane rings, a compound having two cyclopentane rings, but the molecular formulae are not the same. In one case, we get the molecular formula C10H18. Each cyclopentane contains 5 carbons. Now here is a compound containing 10 carbons. So this may be taken as a dimer of C5H9. So the structure is two cyclopentane rings connected to each other. We find in this case, for example, carbon 1 of cyclopentane and carbon 10 of the second cyclopentane ring are connected by a bond. Note that there is no sharing of any corner or any side by these two cyclopentane rings. The second formula is C9H16. We find there is one carbon less. This indicates the two rings share one carbon. The two rings share one corner. This is called a fused ring system sharing one corner. We find cyclopentane ring 1 and cyclopentane ring 2 having the common carbon. Carbon number 9 becomes the common carbon for the two rings. So the two rings sharing a common carbon. The next one, the formula is C8H14. Since there are two carbons less, we must have two carbon atoms shared by the two rings. So here we have a fused ring system with one side common. We have numbered carbon 1, 2, 3 belonging to cyclopentane ring 1, 4, 5, 6 belonging to the cyclopentane ring 2, carbon 7 and carbon 8, they are common to the two rings. In the last one, the formula is C7H12. This indicates we have three carbons commonly shared by the two rings. Here is a bicyclic system with three carbons commonly shared by the two rings. We have marked carbon 3, carbon 4 and carbon 5. They are common to the two. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they form cyclopentane ring 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 form the second cyclopentane ring. Carbons 3, 4 and 5 are common to both the rings.